Hi guys, welcome to a new video, an update from the Big Splash. I'm gonna jump in it today because we got 6 likes. It's not that much. I do everything for you guys, everything. But today I'm with my boy Matisse, right?
Okay, everyone, Simon is gonna jump in 3, 2, 1. Hello, my friend.
No, shit!
Those are his new shoes.
No!
His new shoes are gone. Everyone, we're gonna
Jump one more time. We're gonna jump one more time because I didn't get wet on my shorts and like shit. So we're gonna do it another time. Matisse, take a step away because this is gonna be hard. Okay, don't feel my body.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
His new shoes
Oh, shit.
again ruined.